He doesn't know which class is there. So you got 38 from 40. Where is the 2 marks gone?
Sir, I think one got in MCQ.
You can see the paper.
No, sir, but I'm.
MCQ 1 gone. Then.
And another one is sir,
What your results are come? Results are come. How much you got in maths? 36.5 out of 40. Last 9th standard is out of 40. You got 40 na? Okay. So it's reducing your why? Not prepared out. What is the highest in the school? You should be the topper na? Where's your friend Rajdeep? No idea.
Sir, he has gone to watch.
Who? Rajdeep. Wow. Okay. Mayra, who checked the homework today? Who came first to the class? Someone is coming first has to check the homework. I said no. No. I said everyone, you also I said everyone will check. Who comes first has to check the work. You done any practice? 40 questions done. You are done. You 26. You are supposed to do 40 now. You at least degree 40, 26, 25, 22. How many questions you have done?
47.
47. You 25. 10. Okay. So we are doing the 40
Section formula.
section formula, no? What is section formula? No. Section formula.
X is equal to mx plus nx1
X is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n.
Phi is equal to n by 2 plus n by 1.
Section formula is used for what?
Find the ratio.
Point, find the ratio or find the point of division. When the ratio is given, internal division and the endpoints are given. Yes, what is midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2 and y value is y1 plus y2 by 2. Avnish knows all these formula. Yes, we started doing the exercise.
No, sir.
Not started exercise. 7.1 homework exercise, all of you are done or not? Previous. So, next class, all of you complete your 7.1 so that we will clarify your doubts of 7.1.
Sir, we done.
Huh?
No, you done.
10.1 homework is done. So, we discussed all
Yes, sir.
doubts. Okay, chalo, very good. Okay, then we'll come to the 7.2. Avnish, what all pending? Lot of things are pending. Shivam. And yours, Parth, which chapters are pending now? When last time when you came, what was going on? Started coordinate geometry. So we completed distance formula, section formula, exercise 7.2. In your school, what topic is going on? Applications of trigonometry. We did or no? So we have done coordinate geometry is done in school? No. Okay. Your school, what is going on? Quadratic equation. Okay. Chalo, exercise 7.2. Questions? Admaya,
Yes, sir.
got the mark?
No, sir.
Okay. Chalo. Avanti knows the formula? No, sir. Take exercise 7.2. Taken. Srinidhi, read the first question.
The coordinates.
A is equal to Q8. Avanti stop. A is equal to -2.
2 comma minus 5.
2 comma -5.
And b is equal to -3 comma -7.
-3 -7.
And he divides segment AB internally in the ratio 3:5.
3:5.
Show that the coordinates of the points P are 1 by 8 and -20.
So this is the value of x1 y1. This is x2 y2. and this ratio is m is to n. So you have to find out the coordinate of P means you have to find the value of x and y. Write the formula and substitute. Couldn't I know the formula? Very nice, sir. Last class you were sleeping here. Yes, she's telling yes. Now also she is sleeping. Then write formula and learn x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 divided by m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Replace. Put the values. Shivam, substituting.
Yes.
First complete x, then complete y. Three times minus 3 plus 5 times 2 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 9 plus 10 divided by 8 1 by 8 that is the value of x. Y m 3 times x y2 minus 7 plus 5 times minus 5 divided by 3 plus 5 minus 21 minus 25 divided by 8 minus 46 by 8 minus 23 by 4. Therefore, coordinate of P is x comma y 1 by 8 minus 23 by 4. Hope all of you followed. There will not be question show that you have to calculate. Myra, you did not get it. Srinidhi got it. Next question. Shubhangi.
Segment AB is the diameter of a circle whose center is C. If A is equal to minus 2 comma 4
Minus 2, 4.
and C is equal to minus 3 comma minus 5,
Minus 3, minus 5.
show that the coordinates of point B are minus 4
So
and
you have to find out the B means. Please all show that. Okay, tell me. Here Shubhangi explain how to do. Explain the question. What is it? What happened?
Yes, sir.
here?
So how?
How? I'm being continuously talking. Come here.
Sir, my leg is.
Leg is the problem. So come on. Tell. Are you read now? What is AB? Tell me.
AB is the
AB is the
segment.
Is-
AB, segment AB is the diameter.
what is AB?
So,
AB segment. Line segment. Are you read? What is AB? Here. So that is the thing, you know. AB is the diameter of what? Circle. Then what is C?
C is the segment.
What does it mean?
Means that AC is the
So that means what is C?
C. The
So that is the thing you have to get now. C is the midpoint of AB. Did you write? C is the AB is the diameter and C is the center. AB is the diameter and C is the center. Therefore, see, this is the way analyze and tell. Okay, there is nothing to think. You have to read and identify. Therefore, C is the center. So, therefore, if I have x1, y1, can you tell me what will be x1, y1? C is the midpoint of AB, all of you wrote now. Can you tell C is what? Sorry, x1, y1. C is x1, y1 is A minus 2, 4. x2, y2. Very nice. The C is
minus 4 comma minus.
if that you have to find out. So you'll write so everything's answered. You have to find out x2, y2. What is x comma y? That is given. What is it? Minus 3 comma minus 5. See midpoint formula, forgot. What is the midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y. Stop writing, all of you. What is the midpoint formula? X is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. What is x and y? Coordinate of? Coordinate of? Which formula we are doing? Midpoint. So tell what is the midpoint formula? Formula x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Rain, something is there or raining, it's frozen out. Y is equal to what? Y1 plus y2 by 2. Then what is x comma y? Coordinate of? Coordinate of the which formula is this one? So see x comma y is the midpoint. And what is x1 y1 and x2 y2? End points. They are the two end points. Are we followed or not? You people are in the fourth standard out. Formula is this one. What is it? So what is x comma y? Midpoint. So what is section? Wait for that. Okay, stop writing now. What is section formula? Do you know what is section formula? I will throw you out from here. Okay, she's sleeping. Do you know? X is equal to mx2 plus fast.
Divided by
And y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. What is x comma y? In the section formula, what is x comma y? Midpoint. It is the point of division. What is x1 y1? End point. What is x2 y2? Second end point. What is m and n? Ratio of division. You should understand the question simply. Do something. Value is there, substitute value is there, we can substitute. Okay, then x is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 by 2. It is a midpoint formula. What is x comma y? That is the midpoint. What is x1 y1 and x2 y2? Two endpoints. That means if you know me, then directly application. This only. Then you will write x equal to x1 plus x2 divided by 2. Y is equal to y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Replace whatever values you have. X, how much? Minus 3. X1 minus 2. X2 we don't know, divided by 2. Then y value also if you want or cross multiply. Minus 6 is equal to minus 2 plus x2. Minus 6 plus 2 is equal to x2. Therefore x2 is equal to minus 4. Same way, replace y value. Y is equal to minus 5. Y1, what is y1? Y1 is equal to 4 plus y2 divided by 2. Minus 10 is equal to 4 plus y2. Minus 10 minus 4 is equal to y2. Y2 is equal to minus 15. Therefore, coordinate of B is what? Minus 4, comma, minus 14. Are you following? Are you following? I never got no in the class till now. But when I ask the question, if not followed, if you cannot, this way you cannot analyze means you cannot do the questions in the exam. That is why the marks are going. Srinidhi, mark has come. You did you tell? When did you tell? 34.
36.
36. Hello, Myra. What is the mark? Just come now.
No.
Sure. Okay. Next. Arun, are you following? Sure. Then Arun, read the next question.
Find the ratio in which the join of the points 1, 2 and minus 2, 3 is divided by like 3x plus 4y is
1,
2 minus 2, 3
minus 2, 3
is divided by like 3x plus 4y is equal to 6.
3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Hello? What? Oxygen is less hot. Huh? Then? Some problem is there? No. Find the so if you draw like there are 2 points and one is A. and the other one is B. Okay, the coordinate of AB is given. You have, there is a line is there. This is the line. Whose equation is given? What is the equation is given? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Find the ratio in which this line, that means C divides AB. So which ratio you have to find out in this figure? AC by BC. What is A? 1, 2. What is B? Minus 2, 3. Okay. Then C is the coordinate is x, y now. Then ratio you can take it as what? Whenever ratio to find out, what you take ratio? K is to 1. Forgot all of you? So let the ratio, so first is this is, what is it? Ratio is K is to 1 we take. And we followed this match. Now we have to find out what is the value of K. For finding this one, first of all, you have, this is x1, this is y1, this is x2, this is y2. Okay. So figure drawn. Drawn the figure. Then draw the figure. And first, rough figure drawn up. You people will search for scale, then eraser, then pencil, sharpener, you start. Let, shall we start writing? Let C x comma y divide AB in the ratio K is to 1. Let D C x comma y divide AB in the ratio K is to 1. In the ratio K is to 1. Written all of you? Now write what is x1, y1. x1, y1 is equal to 1, 2. x2, y2 is equal to how much? Minus 2, 3. And m is to n is equal to how much? K is to 1. Now we will use the formula for x and y. X is equal to mx2. Without looking the board, try to write dot by m plus n. Y is equal to my2 plus ny1 divided by m plus n. Replace. X m is what? K. Avnish, are you writing anything? Or you are just copying only? Yes. Minus 2k plus 1 divided by k plus 1. Is it the one you got? Nobody says yes. Copying is going on. X means you have to write y also now. Then you are going to write, then where are you going to write y? And last you write. Then same way y also put. And tell me who got the answer. Y substituted and who got? 3. 3k plus 2. Shubhangi, what did you get? Same. Myra is waiting me to write. That is equal to k times x2 3 plus 1 times 2 divided by k plus 1. That is y is equal to 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1. Are we followed all of you? Are you tell us speak now? Yes. Okay, so we got the value of x and y. Where is this C?
Between
C is between A and B. Again, where is C? C is the midpoint. Then why k is to 1 is taken? No, this girl, she is telling midpoint. Is it given midpoint? Where is this C? Can you see the figure?
that origin.
At the origin. Where is C? So tell loudly. That means C is the point you said. Again, where is C? C is on which line? It is on the line or not? Which line? 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Yes or no? Therefore, you can replace x and y as this value. So, right? But where is E?
Three x plus four y.
So then do you replace X and Y that value now? How to check whether you have to you can replace now, right? C is a point on the line. C is a point on the line. 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. On the line 3x plus 4y is equal to 7. Now right, substituting the value of x and y. Substituting value of x and y. How many pages one question you will see? One page, I am seeing 3 pages. Now replace. X and y replace. So 3 times. Replaced. Minus 2k. Shivam, I'll throw you out from it. What is the problem for you? I am doing. 4 times 3k plus 2 divided by k plus 1 is equal to 7. Simplify and get the value of k. Path, are you following anything? Path, I have to hear from you 10 times I have to follow. Are you following? Nothing following. Are you? Yes or no? Do you know which chapter is going on? So come next time, be regular. Read the chapter on cleaning, okay? Something substituting and not following. It's 7 should be actually again. Finally, my what did you get? 4. Getting?
Yes, sir.
So this will come minus 3 times 2k plus 1 plus 4 times 3k plus 2 all divided by k plus 1 is equal to 7. That is minus 6k plus 3 plus 12k plus 8 is equal to cross multiply 7k plus 7. Minus 6k and how much? This is coming as what? 6k minus 7k is equal to 7 minus 11. Minus k is equal to minus 4, k is equal to 4. Therefore, ratio did you write? Therefore, ratio is how much? K is to 1, which is equal to 4 is to 1. So this is the answer, ratio, not the k only. Answer is 4 is to 1. Be careful. Important type of question. Are you following now? Question comes for 4 marks. Okay, Avnish, read.
Find the length of the medians of the triangle with vertices are 3, 5, 5, 3, 7, 7.
3 comma length of the Avnish, what do you mean by median?
Median.
Median is median now. Avnish, what is median? 5 comma 3 and 7.
7, 7.
Avnish, I am asking you what is the median? Altitude. Median is altitude. On steel scale is there one I'll give one now. What is median?
The line which divides.
Line which divides.
Line of vertex opposite side which divides opposite sides mid.
Line from the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side. Are you followed? Altitude is perpendicular height. I am going. So, if I take, if this is the median, means what is D? Midpoint. So all the medians you have to find out now. E, midpoint. F, midpoint. Have you followed? So you know how to find out the midpoint. How do you find out? Midpoint formula. If you get this one, can you use the distance formula and find the length of AD? Same way you have to find out. Okay. So first here. So figure drawn.
Sir, so
Hmm.
so if not by distance from all 3.
All 3 you have to find out. Not one. All the medians they asked now. So, first is figure drawn. Quick, figure itself will take time.
The figure has marks.
The figure is for your understanding only. Otherwise, you have to write all these. Okay, what is AD and all, right? Since AD, BE and CF are the medians, AD, write down AD, BE and CF are medians. Therefore, D, E, F are the midpoints. AD, BE, CF are the medians. Therefore, what are they? D, E, F are the midpoints of what? PC, CA and AB. Okay. Now one by one find out D is equal to midpoint formula x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Myra, can you substitute and tell me? Tell loudly, I can't hear. Huh? 7. X1 is what? 5. 5 plus 7 divided by 2. Then 3 plus 7 divided by 2. 5 plus 7 is what? 12 by 2, 6. This is equal to how much? 5. Yes or no? So coordinate of D you got 6, 5. Same way find out D. Then here midpoint. Oh hero, don't wait for me, do it. E and F. All of you. One only I told me, the other one quickly. D, E, F. What is here? What is the value B? Now all of it. What is the? This man is waiting. See. It is 7 plus 3 divided by 2. 7 plus 5 divided by 2. How much? 10 by 2. 5 comma 6. 5, 6. F. Same way. 3 plus 5 by 2. 5 plus 3 divided by 2. See, it is 4 comma 4. Then this much already done. Remaining who did? Actually, I am waiting. Did you? I did not. Over. What did you find out? So right now AD is equal to, how do you find out AD? How do you find AD? So apply na distance formula. Myra, AD. So AD means x1 by 1 is what? Should I write always 3 comma 5 and x2 by 2? D 6 comma 5. AD is equal to, formula I remember, x2 minus x1 square plus y2 minus y1 whole square under root. That is equal to 6 minus 3 plus 5 minus 5 whole square. That is 3 root of 3 square plus 0. Answer is 3. Yes. Then B. Other 3 what?
I told you.
Then find out next one. AD, then BE, then CF. But one I do means other things you should do it. So that at least I feel these people know how to do. That means those who are absent were doing better. You people are quietly sitting. Hmm? Done. BE. What is BE? 3. Again BE also 3. Ka. 5 minus 5. Minus? Who got minus?
Myra.
Myra got minus. I come. Distance is minus. And then 3 minus 6 minus 3 all square is plus will come now. Why you cutting it? Same thing, you know. 3 minus 3 all square. Root of 9, 3. Then what happened? CF you got? Who got CF? You got what? Root 2. Root 2? And then you got it. Who wanted root 2 value? Why you need 0? Who got 0? Distance 0. Who is at 0? Array 0 means both the points are same out. 7 minus 4 whole square plus 7 minus 4 whole square. That is equal to 3 square plus 3 square. 2 times 3 square. 3 root 2. Root 18. 3 root 2. 0, how did you get? Who got 0? Shit, you got 0. Somebody said 0. They mismatch you, right? Okay. When you know root 2, don't need to go. Yeah, this man, you this much is enough. Previously in the distant last exercise, did you find out all values? All distances, roots, yes, sir. Huh? So you calculated everything when root 65 was there. So you calculated root 65. Huh? Now what happened? Now we are root 2 at the substitute. Arun, Srinivasan, you will get from me, okay? Okay. Sleeping. Stand up there. Read the next question. Take the book in your hand. You know which chapter we are doing? Which chapter? Come on, what time we came back from the school? Then after that you started sleeping and go. That is why you are feeling sleepy. You keep it down. Read the next one.
P for Q for
Huh?
P, Q, R and
P comma
point.
PQR are collinear points. Okay.
3,4 and
P is 3,4. Okay.
and 7,7
Q is 7,7.
respectively, and PR is equal to 10
PR is equal to 10.
units. Show that coordinate of R are
Okay. P, Q, R. Okay, length of PR is there. Okay. So look here. Collinear points is the same line. So you can find out P is given, Q is given. Can you find out PQ? Can you find out the length of PQ? Because there is no ratio is given now. So find out PQ. Distance formula apply. Who got it? Hmm. 5. How many we got 5? 1, 2. Others yet to get. 7 minus 3 square plus 7 minus 4 square. That is equal to root of 4 square plus 3 square. Root of 25, which is equal to 5. So PQ is equal to 5 you got now. What is PR? PR is 10. Therefore, what is QR?
10 minus.
QR is equal to PR minus PQ, which is equal to how much? 10 minus 5. How much? 5. So nothing.
Q is the mid.
Q. So loudly tell at least so.
The mid.
Thank you. Today, first time one child got given an answer. Therefore, Q is the midpoint of what? PR. Right. Therefore, PQ is equal to QR. Therefore, Q is midpoint of which one? PR. So what is X1, Y1 here? What is X1, Y1? Huh? 7, 7. X1, Y1 is 3, 4. X2, Y2. 7, 7. Very nice. X2, Y2 is not given. Simply whatever don't they. This is question mark. X, Y. 7, 7. 0, 0. Avnish, are you there? Then apply midpoint formula. Now what are you waiting? Actually, you're watching how to do it. Array, do the formula. X is equal to X1 plus X2 by 2. Y is equal to Y1 plus Y2 by 2. Replace values. Simplify. Get the answer. You have to get X2, Y2. Did you read what? Very nice, sir. Seven is equal to 3 plus X2 divided by 2. Again, 7 is equal to 4 plus Y2 divided by 2. 14 is equal to 3 plus X2. 14 minus 3 is X2. X2 is equal to 11. 14 is equal to 4 plus Y2. 14 minus 4 equal to Y2. Y2 is equal to 10. Therefore, coordinate of R is 11, 10. Avnish.
Some questions are pending.
Questions up. In between, you will tell us this exercise over.
So what is
Then,
hero?
did he follow the questions? Then read the next question, try to get an answer. Then tell, sir, I got an answer. Stories we will talk later. Okay? When exercise is over, you tell me, sir, previous it was there. Question number. Which one? 6 1. Okay, read. Shivam.
If 1, 2 and 4, y, 6, x, 6 and 3, y are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order. Find x and y.
Do you know what is a parallelogram, Shivam?
Yes, sir.
What is parallelogram?
Sir, figure.
Closed figure is parallelogram. Very nice. Closed figure is parallelogram. Other figures are wrong. Diagonals are straight. Quadrilateral in which opposite sides are parallel and equal. Okay, what is A? What is A? 1 comma 2. B.
4 comma y.
4 comma y. C. X comma
6.
6. D.
3 comma 5.
3 comma
5.
5. This is the one. You have to find X and Y. Yes. How many you have to do? Myra have to do.
We have to find the distance between B and C.
Loudly tell.
We have to find the distance between B and C and
B and C. Array tell BC.
and AD.
BC and AD are
BC and AD are equal.
equal. Only that only equal. Something else equal.
AB and
So AB is equal to CD, AD is equal to BC. That is the thing. But with that one, square root, squares, you will not get the answer. There is another property for the parallelogram. Parth, you know what is the other property? About the diagonals of the parallelogram. Diagonals are equal. Very nice. Diagonals bisect each other. Do you know what I mean by diagonals bisect each other? Diagonals are not equal for parallel. You want the two triangles. No. Diagonals
Divided in the same ratio.
you want the same ratio. Two equal part means what? The point of intersection. That means this intersection point, P is the midpoint of
AC and.
B is the midpoint of AC and P is the midpoint of BD. Are you followed? If you find out midpoint of AC, it is P. If you find the midpoint of BD, that also is P. So two ways you will get P. Equate, you will get the value of X and Y. Are you followed? What diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, you followed? So P is the midpoint of AC and B. Use mid. After that we will do now. First you get that much. Okay. So did you draw the figure? So right, diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Well, that remaining figure later draw. Diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Therefore, P is the midpoint. Rainy season started, so nobody is telling any answers. Midpoint of AC. You'll bring one blanket also, lie down and sleep over it. Therefore, P is equal to. Even Armay also not giving the answers. Y1 plus Y2 divided by 2. So P is equal to 1 plus X divided by 2 comma 2 plus 6 divided by 2. That is 1 plus X cannot be simplified by 2, 2 plus 6 8 by 2 is 4. That is the value of P from midpoint of AC. Are you followed, all of you? Then P is midpoint of, now P is midpoint of what? BD. The same way apply, P is equal to now midpoint formula for BD. What do you get? 4 plus 3 divided by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. That is equal to 4 plus 3 is how much? 7 by 2. Comma y plus 5 divided by 2. That is 2. Are you followed or not? See, two ways you got P. So equate. How do you get from 1 and 2? From 1 and 2, what do you get? Both equate 1 and 2. 1 plus x divided by 2 comma 4 will be equal to what will you get? 7 by 2 comma y plus 5 divided by 2. What?
Sir, how are we equating those two?
So two coordinates same, no, x will be equal, y will be equal to y. 1 plus x, but now next step what will you write? Remaining you will do or not? 1 plus x divided by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. Comma 4 is equal to y plus 5 divided by 2. X is equated with x, y is equated to y. Clear? No, yes or no?
Yes,
Array, if it is coming in this way, two coordinate, this is 3 comma 4 is equal to x comma y. What is the meaning? Or both are equal means 3 equal to x, 4 equal to 1.
Sir,
Same way, this equal to this equal to this.
X is
That you find out. X is equal to how much you got? X equal to 2.
6.
Y is equal to 3. Get the value. Okay. X equal to 2 and y equal to. So important types of question these are. Practice once again. This is today majority did not give answers. Okay.